Okay, so for this question 25, so this is under organic, which is alcohol. So remember organic, they got alkene, alkane and alcohol. So this one is, you need to focus on the alcohol part. Now this one is a type of bond present in the structure. So obviously you need to draw the structure of ethanol. Now ethanol have 2 carbon. If methanol 1, eth mean 2. So obviously you need to draw 2 carbon. Right? Now let's check. So I'm gonna use white color for representing the CH bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Orange part is for the CC bond, which is 1. I'm going to use green for the CO bond, which is 1. And obviously this one I need to draw the structural formula in a way that it shows the OH bond. So I'm going to use blue color, 1. So you have 5, 1, 1, 1. So the answer is B.